What's going on, everybody? Chump Change XD here. Hope you're all staying healthy, having a great day. So in this video, we need to get this grow tent right here all prepped up and ready to go into the basement. So first things first, I need to get this thing built. I need to see how big it is, and then what we're going to do is take the entire thing down into the basement. We're gonna have to clean a whole area for this thing to go in, and I'm going to teach you guys how to cut this thing into your HVAC system to potentially help heat your house in the winter. So give me just a second, let's throw this thing together. So what do you guys think? Honestly, I think this is a pretty nice looking grow tent. Black and green, my colors, and I mean it's really built kind of nice. I'm not gonna lie, I was a little skeptical at first. So right here, as you can see, there is a little viewing window. So if you could put on a shelf a screen right here, that would be perfect to be able to see all your rigs. Maybe I could build something with 6 little Kuman screens for 6 rigs inside here. That would be amazing. And then if you see right here, they have a pretty heavy duty zipper. I'm not gonna lie, this thing's actually really nice. It goes all the way around. Same thing with the top. So you can literally unzip this thing 180 degrees, but let me show you the inside. So that's it. All reflective material. I don't really know if that helps us at all, but right here on the left, the back, and the right side at the top of the grow tent, these are exhaust ports, so you can go out the back, left or right. Then they also have an 8-inch exhaust port at the top here, and that's the one we're gonna utilize. If you guys could see straight through, that's gonna go directly up into my ductwork, so I'm gonna have the fan sitting right on top there. These bars right here actually slide, and you can put them wherever you want for things to sit on top of this, I guess, or honestly, I really don't know, maybe to hang lights from if you're actually using it to grow stuff. But I'm gonna put these as close to this port right here as I can so the weight of my fan doesn't cave in on the top of this tent. Another nice thing they have down here, a couple screened intakes. So right here, if you look, I can peel it off and it's a see-through screen. Literally just to take in some natural air from your basement or the room you're actually in. And they also have, again, out the back, the left and the right are intakes. That way you can choose whichever direction you want to bring air in from, which is a huge plus in my book. So good on Vivio Sun for doing this. By the way, not sponsored. This is just my own honest opinion. I don't think this is a really bad grow tent at all. This thing was it's pretty well built for the price. There's also a little bag here if you guys needed to put anything just on the side. I don't know, maybe a couple extra USBs or something. If you wanted to hang your Kuman screens right in there, you could do that as well. Little 7-inch ones, they're mint. But all right, I need to get this thing brought down into the basement. So let me do that. I gotta put the camera down for a second. Obviously, I can't carry this with one hand, but yeah, I'm pretty impressed to say the least. So give me a second, we'll be right back. All right, so the grow tent is finally, or officially, in the playroom. All right, so let's go look at what we're gonna do. Basically, I need to clean up all this crap. It's literally, this is the only place we actually have extra stuff that we haven't unpacked from moving. So, I mean, realistically, it's not much stuff, but we do have a bunch of pictures and all that stuff. I need to move this and get this out of here. Like I said, I'm gonna be cutting it into this return duct right here. So I need to basically get that guy lined up underneath that return duct, and then I gotta figure out where I actually wanna place it. Probably the right side edge, flush with this wall, or with this opening under the stairs is probably gonna be my guess, but give me just a minute. Let me take care of all this nonsense and I'll be right back. All right, not gonna lie, that was pretty horrible. But anyways, it's all in place. As you can see, place is somewhat clean. The grow tent is a lot shorter than I was actually expecting. So I don't know, I mean, it works, it's fine, it is what it is. I think, like I said, it's about 5 feet tall. All right, so what my plans are, basically, I want to take this inline fan. This is a 6-inch fan made for grow tents. It has a wall mount on the back side, but I don't think I'm actually going to utilize that wall mount. I'm just going to put this fan directly on top of this tent. It is a 370 to 400 CFM fan. Honestly, I looked online and they're not available anymore, but I'll try to find a similar link and leave it down in the description below. I have a 6-inch collar that I am going to be cutting into my return duct right here. Not in today's video, I'll do that tomorrow. Unfortunately, I don't have my tin snips, so I actually can't do this today. That's gonna go into the return duct. You're gonna bend over the tabs, gotta seal it, screw it in. Then we're gonna run the ductwork, which is the 6-inch accordion style grow tent stuff. It's like got the aluminum, mylar, whatever the heck that is inside, like reflective material, and then black on the outside. Hose clamps to tie one side of this to the collar and the other side to the fan. And then I want to try to get AAAWAVE frames inside here. So let's open this up real quick. Plan with the fan. There's a collar here, okay, and then it's got one of those straps that you can pull and tighten. Same thing here, another one on the inside. So basically, take this fan, this is what I'm thinking anyways. It's gonna be hard with one hand, but I'm gonna put it in right here, more or less. I'll get that around this, or on top of this rather, and I'll pull it nice and tight. So basically, sorry for the lighting, I know it stinks, but this bracket that usually gets mounted to the wall is just gonna be sitting on the bar down here, and the fan's just gonna chill there. I think it'll be totally fine. And then I will basically lift this up and I will tighten this strap to pinch the fan on that side. Let me know in the comments below, do you guys think that's fine just to leave that fan on top here, or should I actually mount it to the wall? I don't know. I mean, I honestly don't think it's going to matter once it's in, as long as it's like sturdy and these pull straps actually keep it nice and tight. And to be honest, I think that if there's any type of vibration coming from this fan, it would be affected, like in the house, you'd hear it humming if I actually attached it to the wall, if I'm not mistaken. So, all right, either way, I guess that's gonna be the plan there. Now I'm gonna take this tape measure and I wanna see, like I said, it was 24 inches on the outside. So inside we have about 22 inches. And then if I go the long way, we have just about 46, a little under. So, you know what? I'm just gonna go get one of my mining rigs. We're gonna throw it in here. We're gonna see if it's feasible to get 4 or 6 inside here configured somehow, and we'll just go from there. All right, so that's what she looks like with a rig. Now, looking at this, I'm wondering, should I put it this way or should I put them sideways and see if I could fit 1, 2, 3? I think that might be possible. I can definitely fit 2 side by side. There's plenty of room, which is nice. And then I can stack these 2 high. I don't think I can go 3. I think 3 would be too much. And to be honest, I don't want to overcrowd this tent. It's going to be a lot of heat inside here, and one 6-inch fan, definitely not going to do it. I'll probably have to increase to an 8 or add another 6 over on this side. And that would have to be a little modified. So I don't know. We're going to see, because obviously you guys know there isn't 2 holes. I could add one off the side here, but I don't know. I'm just brainstorming. I've never dealt with doing a grow tent into my HVAC system, but it's really not too difficult, to be honest. So let me know in the comments below, what do you guys think? Should I go sideways, left and right with these, or should I turn this the other way? Let's, you know what, let me turn this right now. We're just gonna see quick. And that's what it looks like sideways. So I honestly think I could fit 3. That's just gonna be a lot of heat. That's a lot of heat. I would need to make sure that my airflow coming in is absolutely fantastic. And I think my other option for this whole setup right here, I have 2 windows right here. Obviously, they both open. I was thinking about, off of this one, building a wooden square of some sort with another one of these 6-inch transition fittings into it, and basically running a piece of ductwork across my ceiling down here and over to the bottom and go in there. So it will be cold air consistently feeding into the bottom of this tent. But if I end up packing it that hard with that many GPUs, I mean, just on the bottom, that would be 36 cards alone. That's a lot of heat. I mean, 1660s, granted, don't get as hot as like For the Win 3, like 30 series cards, but still, that tight of a confined area, it is going to be a lot, and I mean a lot of heat. So I'd probably have to feed to both sides with that fresh intake. So I mean, I could take another one of those and basically pull it down into the left side, but I don't know. I mean, the basement's kind of cool. I could just open these grates right here, run the fan, and see what happens, because I mean, why not? Let's just give it a shot. So we're gonna do tests on this. I'm gonna put a thermometer inside here. We're gonna run one rig, 24 hours, see how the temperatures are. Again, same thing, 2 rigs, how the temperatures are, and so on and so forth. That's going to be my plan, and we're just gonna go from there. So I'm sorry guys that I couldn't actually cut this all in today and show you how to do that, but tomorrow morning's video, I will have a part 2 to this, and I will be cutting this in to the HVAC system. I'll show you guys step by step how to do it. I'll set up a camera so you can watch me cut it, and we'll just go from there. So as always guys, don't forget, smash that like, subscribe. I appreciate you guys for watching. Please stay safe, and I'll see you guys real soon. Peace.